Hello everyone, today we are going to make the most delicious and super fluffy orange cupcakes. Start off by sugar in a bowl and then the grated peels for the orange. Then followed by your eggs, which you'll add one at a time and then mix well. For an extra touch of flavor, we are going to add vanilla essence. For moist cupcakes, use melted butter or oil, but preferably oil, cooking oil. Go in with your flour followed by baking powder for them to rise, then mix well and make sure not to overmix. Then add in your fresh orange juice squeeze, and kindly note, for an unbitter taste, use the imported oranges rather than the normal oranges. They give a bitter taste. Then mix well. Then fill your cupcake tins. Ensure you grease even you're using the cupcake papers. It should be 3/4 half full, and just like that you made the most amazing cupcakes in under 5 minutes, and your kitchen is smelling citrus and fresh from the baked orange. Don't forget to tag me when you try out the recipes. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.